All right. As stated in previous weeks, I am learning leverage trading. Right now, I'm showing you my Bitcoin chart on Bybit, where I've been practicing these leverage trades. Been in cryptocurrency space since 2017, doing a little bit of investing, a little bit of trading, and helping some projects. So, what are we looking at here? We're looking at me learning purely educational purposes. Hopefully, you can come along for the ride and see how I went about learning. Down $2 this week. Again, like I said in the past, just using a very small amount of capital that slowly grows. We're growing at $100 a week and seeing how things work out. Going through this learning journey, one day at a time. With these weekly updates, you can see right here that Bitcoin ended last week above where we're at currently. Currently, the portfolio is down by about $2 roughly since last week. And what's been happening? Well, I can tell you exactly what's been happening. Repeatedly, we go to visit our friend. His name is the Daily 21 EMA. And every time we go to visit him, he doesn't let us in the house, just kicks us back down to the curb. Fortunately, that is not very good for long trades. Yes, I have a whole bunch of longs, and they have been sad. Probably would have been better to short at the 21 EMA, but no, I didn't do that. Well, you live and learn, and that is the point of this video. As you can see here, I have more trades going on than Christmas trees have ornaments. Yes, it's a very decorated chart we have here. But hey, let's zoom in from the 1 day to the 4 hour. Yeah, a little less things all over the screen here. And let's actually zoom into the chart. Okay, now we can actually have a better idea of what's going on. Well, I can tell you exactly what's been going on 4 hours ago. Bitcoin broke down through the moving averages, and yeah, it hit all my stop losses and closed all my positions. Currently sitting all in cash, now waiting for the market to decide that it doesn't want to continue crashing. But hey, why not short here? Well, I don't want to short here because I have no idea where I would put the stop loss. Where am I going to put the stop loss? Way up here, just so I can go down to here? Yeah, that's a bad trade. So I'm going to pass on that. Odds are, where are we going next? Well, look at where support is. Somewhere in here. That's what I'm expecting. If for some reason we decide to just park on this structure here on these previous candles, hey, it's possible. But it will become abundantly obvious long before I'm way out on this trade on the 1 hour time frame. Yes. Either we'll park here on top of this other structure and then break above these 1 hour moving averages, or hey, we'll continue down like free diving. Yeah, skydiving when you don't open the parachute. What else can we look at here? Well, on the 1 hour, who cares about the indicators on the 1 hour? Let's look at it on the daily. We keep bouncing here on the stochastic RSI. Very interesting. So we move up. RSI, well, looks about as flat as Saskatchewan. Yep, just some flatness. And okay, we can see here MACD's moving up. Oh, got this first glimmer of hope. One little green speck. Will it matter? I don't know. This candle's not over yet. You think that matters? No. All right, well, what I can tell you I've learned so far is it will be much easier to go long when we get above the daily and have a longer term trend instead of continuously trying to buy positions off support and then getting rejected. I don't really want to short too much because, as you can see here on the weekly, well, we're still not really in a bear market. So, do I really want to short a bull market? Not really. What else can we say here? Well, not a whole lot. I did open one trade earlier this week where my stop loss in this area, after breaking down below this level, was way too wide. I acknowledged that in my trading journal that, yeah, this is a stupid trade. Why is your stop loss so wide? Luckily for me, the market went in my favor. Otherwise, I'd be telling you about my wonderful losses this week. Don't make your stop loss so wide that you lose your shirt. That's the lesson for this week. Thank you, and see you next week.